United hynniewtrep movement ani ka UHM ha ka pratrek Iaiong araja arpoi kala pyllong ka jingshong kyllain mungor ka jaijai habar jo ka state central library Dawa banumdan ka jingsiew na ka bynta ka jingregister ka Jaka Kiba ha Khappud jong ka jylla Meghalaya. Ubat Charlie J. Rani, President Jaka UHM, Habai Kran Biklap Thai Kubor, Uraitu Balai Kran Bon Sen, but Kasorka Jylla Halor Kani, Hinre Hadomenta, Omyu Iso AA.
This demand of free land registration is not very new. It's not a new demand. We have been demanding this since 2018. That because we didn't just create this demand from our side. The government of Assam itself, they came to every household, to each household out there, to give this free land registration to the people out there, but still they refuse to go with the Assam. So that's why we appeal to the government. We urge the government to do something at this time.
Kadbang Kasorka Jylla kadang penkre ban rakhi ke jingdap san post nem ke jingyo Jylla house nem aja RPR hinde ke UHM ka penpau ke jingdiau pat halor ke jingbam pat la ka sorkar ban penbek yo pot usam bar kari Bangladesh hado mentaru ubarani ulai thuru balada ka sorkar ka shongkuman ka sengkam ban se ban penklanya ke jiakhi.
Today itself we have declared from our organization that if the government didn't listen to us, didn't give this free land registration to the people residing in the border areas, us from the organization will have different campaigns and in every district headquarters will go for a public meeting, a public hearing, and then after that the lastly will end up out here in Shillong, and that also will be on that day when the state government celebrate the 50 years of celebration.
Ubaban Shai Marbanyang Joint Secretary Jungseng Ulabanrap Bangladesh Kapor Bakasorkar kan Shimkhiano Halor Kani Namar Kipai Ba Klamat Jing E ba Jinjanjar La Bon Bon Snam Menta.
We appeal to state government to take a very serious actions for implementing the border issues. I mean the free land registration in the borderland, so that the people residing in the border areas should not face lots of issues, lot of tension. That's why we also demand the state government to implement the border schemes in that areas.
Laban kedohang ni baka Jylla Assam baka Jylla Meghalaya kidan omduna e khadartali ki Jaka Kiba apo ka Jyaput. Barhagini ki Jaka baro artali ki Jylla kilai minjur baka wei ka Jylla kanom laban wanra ki kampenroi klam da pentip lani kinjok tien ye ka wei pat ka Jylla.